Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In previous session we have seen different number systems. Also we have seen how to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers. Now in this session we are going to see conversion of binary numbers into decimal numbers. Before saying that, we will see the powers of 2. The first result is 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. You have to remember all these results. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 2 to the 4. Now students, see here, 2 to the power 2 means multiplication of 2 times. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3, multiplication of 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Multiplication of 2 4 times. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Similarly, you can see these results. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. And 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. Now let us see the first example. The number is given, it is in binary format. You can see the first example, it is 101. And you have to find out the decimal equivalent of 101. Okay, so see, first of all you have to write that number 101, make the bracket and give the sign of binary. Now what you have to do, start from the right side. At the top of this 1 you have to write 2 to the power 0. Come this side, left side. On the top of the 0 write down 2 to the power 1, and on the top of this digit write down 2 to the power 2. So what you are doing here, from right to left you are just writing the powers of 2 in increasing order. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. Alright, and after that give a small plus sign in between the binary digits. Next step, write down the number in this format. Now 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Give the plus sign as it is. 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1. Give the plus sign as it is. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Now students, use the results. 1 as it is multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Here 2 to the power 2 is 4. You can see 1 multiplied by 4 plus 0 as it is 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. So write down 2. 1 as it is, and multiplied by 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1. Now see, 4 ones are 4 plus 0 multiplied by anything is 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, the decimal equivalent of 101 is 5. Now let's see the next example. Our next example is 11011, and it is in binary format again. What we have to do is we have to convert this number into decimal equivalent. So again, as I told you before, write the number 11011, make a bracket and give the sign of binary. Then at the top of the right side write down the increasing powers of 2. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and finally 2 to the power 4. And give a small plus sign in between all the digits of binary number. Now 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4, plus sign as it is. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, plus sign as it is. 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2, plus sign as it is. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 as it is, plus sign, and then 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Now again use the results that I have given at the top of the examples. So 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 is 16, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 is 8, plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 is 4, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 is 2, plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. Now 16 ones are 16, plus 8 ones are 8, plus 0 multiplied by anything is 0, plus 2 ones are 2, plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. Therefore, binary equivalent of 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is equal to 27, and give the decimal sign. So I hope you understood today's session. After this video, I will give you some examples of converting the binary numbers into decimal numbers, and in case of any queries or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you.